How to speed up boot time in Windows? First step, disable unnecessary startup apps. Open up Task Manager, click Startup Apps. If you are not using any application, means you need to disable it. Important note, don't disable the inbuilt application. Once disabling after, close it and move on with next step. Enable fast startup. Search for control panel, click it. Click hardware and sound, click power option. In this click, choose what the power button does. Click it. Turn on fast startup. Click save change. Close it and move on with next step. Update storage. Search for device manager. Click it. Click disk drive. Right click. Click update drive. Once update complete after, move on with next step. Search for storage controller. Right click. Click update drive and update it. Next step, free up disk space. Click settings, click system settings. Scroll down, click storage settings. Wait for some time to load. Once loading complete after, you need to click the temporary files. Click it. Select the files you are going to delete. Click remove files. Click continue. Once complete after, come back. Enable storage sense because it's automatically free up the space. Enable it and move on with next step. Search for control panel. Command prompt, right click, click run as administrative and type the following text sfc space /scanner. Click enter and wait for some time. It's scanning your device. After it's verifying. If there is any corrupted file having, means it will remove it. Once complete after, exit it and move on with next step. Optimize your drive. Search for defragment and optimize drive. Click it. Select the drive. Click optimize. Once complete after, close it. And the last and final step, reduce background pro services. Search for run and type the following text msconfig. Click OK. A services tab will appear. System configuration. Hide all Microsoft services. Disable all. Click apply and OK and restart your device. Thank you.